Welcome to Captain Quiz. Today we're testing your movie skills in a whole new way, through emojis. Can you crack the codes and guess the right movie just from these little symbols? You'll face 25 tricky emoji puzzles with only 10 seconds to figure out each movie. Sounds easy? Trust me, these clues will make you think twice. So sharpen your brain, watch closely, and let's find out if you're the ultimate movie master. Let's dive into the emoji challenge. Tiny, chaotic, and bursting with energy. Can you guess who they are? That's right, it's Minions, the funniest little yellow crew ever. A city where every animal lives like humans. From cops to hustlers. What's the movie? Correct. It's Zootopia, the wildest city you'll ever see. Even the smallest dreamer can stir up greatness in the kitchen. Which film is this? Spot on! It's Ratatouille, a delicious story of passion and food. Music, family, and memories that reach beyond life itself. Can you guess this story? Yes, it's Coco, the movie that celebrates love and remembrance.
Anything to declare?
As a matter of fact, yes.
Hola.
An unforgettable love story aboard an ill-fated voyage. Which classic film is this? Exactly, it's Titanic, the legendary epic of romance and tragedy. One clever kid, a house full of traps, and unlucky burglars. What's the movie? You nailed it! It's Home Alone, the ultimate holiday comedy.
Other than that, I'm in good shape.
Money, chaos, and the rise of an unstoppable hustler. Which film is this? Bang on! It's The Wolf of Wall Street, the craziest ride in finance. A story that starts with boredom, but ends in absolute chaos. What film is this? Correct! It's Fight Club, the ultimate cult classic. When technology turns into your biggest nightmare, which chilling movie comes to mind? Yes, it's Megan, the terrifying AI doll story. Across galaxies, through wormholes, and beyond imagination, which film takes you there? Exactly. It's Interstellar, the breathtaking journey through space and time. A dazzling stage, a dreamer with ambition, and a story full of music. What film is this? Correct. It's The Greatest Showman, a spectacular celebration of dreams. Doors, screens in a world powered by fear. Which movie tells this tale? That's right, it's Monsters, Inc., the funniest monster story ever.
Kitty.
When athletes and cartoons join forces, which iconic film comes to mind? Yes, it's Space Jam, the legendary mix of basketball and animation. A hammer, lightning, and the power of gods. What film am I hinting at? Exactly, it's Thor, the mighty Marvel hero's epic. Golden tickets, sweet dreams, and a factory like no other. Which film is this? Correct, it's Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, the sweetest adventure ever.
Yes. Greetings. Welcome to the factory. I shake you warmly by the hand.
Prehistoric times, unlikely friends, and a frozen journey. What's the movie? Yes, it's Ice Age, the coolest adventure through the past.
Good luck with the slow descent into madness.
Hey.
A vacation spot where monsters feel at home. Which animated film is this? Exactly, it's Hotel Transylvania, the spookiest resort ever. He hates celebrations, but his story is all about finding joy. What film is this? Correct, it's The Grinch, the green grouch with a big heart.
I am starving.
When fire, water, air, and earth live together. Which movie tells their tale? That's right, it's Elemental, a story of love and differences.
Sorry.
That was incredible!
A kingdom, a circle of life, and the roar of destiny. What movie is this? Exactly, it's The Lion King, the legendary Disney classic. A friendship that crossed galaxies and touched hearts. Which film is this? Yes, it's E.T., the unforgettable tale of an alien and a boy. Chaos, laughter, and a haunting transformation. Which film comes to mind? Correct. It's Joker, the chilling origin of a legend. When toys come alive and show true friendship, what film am I describing? Exactly. It's Toy Story, the start of an animated legacy. A con artist on the run, always one step ahead. What's the movie? Spot on. It's Catch Me If You Can, the ultimate chase story. An ogre, a swamp, and the funniest fairy tale twist ever. What's the film? Correct. It's Shrek, the hilarious fairy tale like no other.
If you enjoyed this quiz, smash that like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Captain Quiz for more fun challenges every week.